In today's video, we will discuss how you can install Proxifier on your computer or laptop. So first of all, you need to open your Google Chrome browser. After opening the browser, you simply have to go to Google and search for Proxifier. After that, the first website that will appear, which will be the official Proxifier website, you need to open it. Once you open it, the website will appear like this, and here you will have the option to download Proxifier 31-day free trial. You need to click on that, and the application will start downloading. Once the application is downloaded, you need to double-click on the application. After double-clicking, you run the application setup file. Then you click Next from here, accept the agreement, then you keep clicking Next until you install it, like this. After installation, you launch it or open it, so the application will open like this. And here you click on Continue next to 31 days left, so your Proxifier application will open like this. Right, so that's it. That's all for today's video. And this is how you can open and install Proxifier on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 operating systems. See you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.